Hello, welcome to Kennedy Open House. Thank you for clicking on this link to find out more about the Health Science Department. My name is Mr. Sabala, and I'll be taking you through this presentation. As I said, my name is Mr. Sabala. I'm one of the health teachers on campus. I'm also the department chair. I teach health science, and I also teach sports medicine to seniors. And I'll talk more about sports medicine in a little bit. Some of our other teachers, Mr. Hadley, he teaches health science. Mr. Sibley, he teaches health science as well as life management. And Ms. Tershman, she teaches life management. Health science. Health science is a unique class. It's only a semester-long class, and it's required for graduation by the Anaheim Union High School District. So bottom line, if your student does not pass health science, they're going to have to take it again until they pass it with a grade of D or better in order to graduate from the Anaheim Union High School District. This course will help students understand the many factors that have an impact on their physical, mental, and social well-being. Sports medicine. As I stated before, I also teach sports medicine at Kennedy High School. Sports medicine is a class that's offered to only seniors. It meets the career education requirements that the students need in order to graduate from the Anaheim Union High School District. Sports medicine is also approved by UCs and Cal State universities. It falls under the G for A through G as a college prep elective. Now, sports medicine, it coincides with the interscholastic athletic program of the school. So any of our freshman JV varsity sports on campus, sports medicine class will work very closely with them. Sports medicine will also work closely with our severely handicapped class on campus, where we attend different Special Olympic events with those students. If your student has an interest in the medical field, in becoming a doctor, physician's assistant, athletic trainer, physical therapist, sports medicine is definitely a class for them. The course not only involves a regular class period, but also an extracurricular activity, meaning that they do have to get hours outside of the regular school day, and they have to accumulate 40 hours a semester upon completing the class. And when sports do resume, that will be the requirement. Life management class. This is the class that Mr. Sibley teaches and also that Ms. Tershman teaches. Life management is a year-long elective course for juniors and seniors. This elective course emphasizes students' responsibilities relevant to their current relationships and the preparation for living as an adult. Some contact info. It's very simple to get a hold of us. To email us, my email is sabala_I@auhsd.us. Mr. Hadley is Hadley_L@auhsd.us. Mr. Sibley, Sibley_T@auhsd.us. And Ms. Tershman is Tershman_Li@auhsd.us. When contacting us, and we tell the students the same thing, to please allow for a 24-hour response, as far as give us 24 hours to respond back to your email. And if you're emailing us on a Friday evening or a weekend or a 3-day weekend, or spring break, winter break, expect a little bit longer time for a response back, okay? Your patience is definitely appreciated in that situation. So thank you for joining us, and have a great night.